throwing your money away on disposable air filters.
One K&N washable air filter can be cleaned every 50,000 miles and can last the life of your car. Made from cotton, a K&N washable air filter allows more airflow than disposable filters. Better airflow means better engine response. Install one in 5 minutes. Better value, better performance, and better for the environment. K&N, available where auto parts are sold.
K&N's low restriction filter technology allows substantially more airflow than your standard disposable paper air filter. Now, when you have more air, you're going to get more horsepower and better gas mileage. Enough with me talking about this, let me show you the difference between K&N and your standard filter. Okay guys, our first example is with a traditional standard paper air filter. The fan pulls air from the outside through the filter in order to push a regular ping pong ball up through this tube. Notice how the filter is struggling even to move the ball at all. Alright guys, now I'm going to take out this traditional paper air filter and put in the K&N filter and show you the difference it makes with the airflow. So let's put that in right there, close that up, turn it on. Okay, notice the difference in power as the ping pong ball is now pushing at the top of the tube.
So in this video, I'm going to talk about the construction and materials used in this filter, who this might appeal to, as well as touching on the installation a little bit later in the video. But right off the bat, I'm going to be giving this a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches of the difficulty meter. You should have this on your truck in about 30 minutes to an hour tops. So open up your factory air box and then replace it with K&N's unit and you're good to go. So that's my review and breakdown of the K&N drop-in replacement filter fitting the 2009 through 2016 F1.
The first step in the cleaning process is, of course, remove the air filter. Now with the air filter out, you can see all the black marks and the dirt and dust in there, and that's what we want to clean off. If you look at the other side, you don't see all that dirt, and that's because this is the air intake side. The air is going this way through the filter, so this is the side that traps all the dust. One thing you're going to need in order to clean a K&N filter is you're going to need a filter charger kit. And it comes with a bottle of air filter cleaner and a can of air filter oil. The first step is going to be to take the bottle of cleaner and spray the filter down and really soak it in with the cleaner. It helps to dissolve the oil and grease and dirt, anything that's trapped in the filter. And you want to be sure to spray both sides. Now that we've got the filter all soaked down, let it sit about 10 minutes. You want to make sure that the cleaner does not dry on the filter. So that's another reason to make sure that it's soaked really good. After about 10 minutes of letting the cleaner soak into the filter, you want to take low pressure water and rinse the filter out from the clean side to the dirty side. Once you have it rinsed, shake out all the excess water that you can. This will help speed up the drying time. I usually just set it in the sun and let it dry for 45 minutes to an hour. Once your filter is completely dry, you take your can of air filter oil and just spray it evenly along the pleats of the filter. You want to get good coverage and not leave any dry spots. You want to be really careful when you're oiling your filter not to over-oil, and then you can go back and recoat any areas that might need it. I'll just wipe off a little bit of the excess oil from around the edge of the filter. And our K&N filter is ready to be reinstalled.